I don't know what to say now. Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Design Simply. My name is Sena. I don't know why I always do this. Anyway, my name is Sena and welcome. If you are new here, please do hit the subscribe button. You will not regret it because you will be welcomed into the best DIY family ever. And if you are returning, thank you for coming back. Yeah, so I hope you guys like this video. Oh wait, let me tell you what this video is about even. Bye. Today's video is all about my first task, which honestly took forever, for the one room challenge. So I decided to enter the one room challenge this year, and my first task was to redo my dresser. I've been wanting to do it for so long, but I figured since my bedroom is actually part of my makeover, let me just get it done. And I thought it would be the quickest one to do, but it just took me so long. Firstly, procrastination, secondly, time management, and then just like allowing other things to distract me, and then going back to work and not really having the time, blah 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 blah. We're finally done with that, and I am so happy with how it turned out. There were some kinks along the way, but that's okay because, like I said, wait, I didn't say that at all. Shucks, I'm really bad today, aren't I? Ended up going with a really cool color. You guys will see in the video, and I really love how it turned out. I was nervous about the styling, but yeah, it ended up looking really good. It's just, there were a few problems. Just stay tuned and watch. Okay guys, so this is how my dresser looks right now. As you can see, it's very standard. It's white, it's got stains for days. Yeah, it's got all these stains and marks. I'm gonna have to like sand all of this down, and right now it's kind of like a dumping ground for everything. And yeah, I have a biggish task ahead of me. Also, I want to try and get rid of this, so I bought some wood filler. I hope it works. And yeah, this is how my dress looks.
I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one. Yeah. Memory lane isn't that too far away from our hearts. Yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby. Breathe slow, baby.
Okay, so this is the wood filler that I'm using. It's dark brown, and then the instructions read: clean then dampen surface, stir before use, then apply with putty knife. If contents appear dry, add water to soften. For deep holes, apply in several stages. So yeah, I think it will turn out okie dokie. So guys, I'm using this for the first time. Let's see how it goes. I'm just gonna take a little bit and then like see. I think it might be better if I use my hand. Also, I need to put something here because it's gonna get messy. Hey guys, so future Sena here. I'm busy editing and I just realized what a mess I'm doing right now. I didn't film everything else, but I did get the hang of it. I stopped using my fingers, but you guys will see that the wood filler I used was just not appropriate. It would have been better if I used maybe some form of putty, but anyway, continue watching the video and please do not follow my advice. So what I figured is that the top part is so much easier to do because there's more indents, and then the bottom part was a lot more shallow, so it wasn't quite even in terms of like how deep the detailing went. So I had to use more on the lower side, or it looks like more, but because there's nothing like deep to fill, if that makes sense. And then this was like, so I'm really liking this color, but with this knob, yeah. And then I like this one with this knob, and then I like this color, but I think it's gonna be a bit too light, so we'll probably go with that one. And this knob. How this color turned out. It's quite pretty. Not quite the same, but I think it's really pretty. So if any companies are out there watching me slave away, please note that your girl could do with a sanding machine, because wow. Okay, so this is how everything turned out. So the color is really pretty. I'm obsessed with it, but as you can see, like, I did not do a great job on this at all. I want to finish this today, but right now there's just way too much sun. Oh, I got distracted. Anyway, right now there's just way too much sun, so I'd rather just make some breakfast. Okay, so these are the knobs that I ended up going with from Builder's Warehouse. I just really love the detailing of these. I think it's so pretty and creepy at the same time. So styling is the one thing that always gets to me. I always second guess myself, and then I end up deciding, does it even look good? Does it not look good? But I do try to follow the rule of 3. Yeah, anyway, let me know down in the comment section below if you guys also kind of struggle with the styling.
as you guys can see, it's not quite 100% there, but I'm okay with it for now. I'll probably come in a bit late to try and fix things up.
Enjoyed this video. I don't want to say I had fun doing it. It started off being therapeutic and then it just became, gosh, let me just get this over and done with. But yeah, I'm really enjoying the process of making over my room. I'm so excited to show like one full video of everything coming together. So stay tuned for that. Make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell, do all the beautiful things so you guys do not miss a video when I upload. And I'll see you all later. Oh, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and comments. Leave me all your hearts. If you wanna, if you have any questions for me, just drop them down below. I really love to get to know more of you. Like, I know I have a few people that I've engaged with, but I would really like to get to know more of you guys. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this, and like I said, I'll see you soon. I'm trying to be better, so I will see you soon. Bye.
Me again. By the way, I'm in my sister's bedroom. She doesn't even know that I'm filming in her room because my room is such a mess. Like I said, one room challenge, so I'm kind of also taking the opportunity to just declutter my space. So like things are everywhere.